everybody. I'm excited because I want to share a warmer with you that is returning from the Harvest collection. So it's going to drop again September 1st, and it's one of my favorite Harvest warmers. I think it came out a couple years ago, and the first time it like sold out fast. And was it a warmer of the month? I can't remember, but I just saw the flyer and the picture does not do it justice. I was like, ooh, it's prettier than that picture. So I wanted to share with you this warmer, okay? Because I don't know how fast it's gonna go this time, but it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. And you have to see it up close. Like I said, the picture does not do it justice. I need to clean the dish, but that's neither here nor there. The dish is dirty from last year because I always use this warmer. So it's super pretty. Oh, it's got some wax on the lid. So this is the lid, and I actually really like it because all the scent comes out really good. It has a really good scent throw. All right, this one's tricky to get out because it's all glass. So let's try not to break it. Let's see if it, I hope it's not broken. Let's check it out. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Oh man, this one's tricky. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I think I can do it down here. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. Move that box. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so gorgeous. Okay. So without even being on, it's stunning. I know you guys are seeing the reflection from my light, but you see all the little sparkles and stuff? Super pretty. So then your dish, let me show you the inside. That's how it has like a gold finish on the inside. So then your dish sits here, and then the lid sits right over the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in because I really want to show it to you, and I'm gonna turn the lights out so you can get a really good, hi Sheila, so you can get a really good idea of what it looks like. So I hope the light bulb's still good. It's been in there since last year. All right, let me turn this down. All right, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Seriously, like the picture does not do this justice. Let me turn this down too. Okay, look at that. Let me turn it off. Isn't that beautiful? That's called Enchanted Pumpkin, and it's gonna drop again on, it's gonna drop again on September 1st. So if you want an Enchanted Pumpkin, you gotta let me know because I'm doing pre-sales so I can get everything ordered on September 1st before things sell out. Ooh, I look spooky. Don't I look like I'm ready to tell scary stories? The scariest story is not getting the Scentsy that you want because it gets sold out. So you need to pre-sale with me. That's my scary story. But yeah, see, that's why I wanted to show it to you guys because it's so pretty. Like the picture, I'm gonna be sending all of my customers a brochure, but I was like, oh man, that doesn't really show. I'm gonna be showcasing all of the things from the, hi Melissa, how are you? Isn't it pretty? This is one of my favorite, this is my favorite fall warmer. I love this warmer. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. But yeah, so I have some of the items that are coming back September 1st. So I wanted to go ahead and share little by little what's coming out so you can see it up close. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of new stuff. Like we have Nightmare Before Christmas coming out, new stuff. We have an Oogie Boogie warmer and an Oogie Boogie Buddy, but the Buddy is delayed, but Zero is going to be available. I believe Zero will be available on the 1st. Oogie Boogie and Jack and Sally are going to be October. Aren't they super cozy, right? Yeah, these are beautiful. I love this warmer. This is a great warmer. So that's why I wanted to share it, because sometimes the pictures, as wonderful as the pictures are, they don't show like the splendor of some of these warmers, you know? It's nice to see them up close. But yeah, so if anybody is interested, please let me know, and I will put you on my list and get you going with your pre-sale. So what I'm hoping is for my local people, if we could hit 500, we'll get free shipping. So I'm hoping, which I don't see how it's going to be that hard. There's just my order alone is going to be out of control because I want everything. So, but anywho, there's one less that I have to buy. So if you want an enchanted pumpkin, please let me know and I will get that set up for you. All right, you guys, have a great day. It's almost the weekend, so have a wonderful weekend as well. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.